Mm-hmm.
So why do you feel so tired afterward? Instead of refueled and focused, you're foggy and sluggish. It's that 2:30 feeling again. So how do you get your clear, alert feeling back? Have a coffee. And another. Do this instead. Take one 5-hour interval.
See my hairy belly.
In minutes,
Yep.
foggy and sluggish is gone. Hello, clear over. Word is cow. 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 C-O-W-E-I-E-I-O. Dag nabbits. Geico. 15 minutes.
Cow. COWEIEIO.
Babe, I'm taking a video.